part one of going outside. Whee. I bet this stuff, a lot of stuff. Here we have a football. Should I do it, chat? Should I do it? Should I do it? Yeah. I pushed it. Oh my god. I'm like, we did it there, but it's okay. Guess we'll just, you know what? Just for y'all, I'll jump 10 times. 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I'm already dead. But, yeah, we have nature. Could I, like, maybe zoom in? What is that? We have wait, how far? 3x is max? Bro, I have an iPhone 13. What is this 3 max? This max zoom out, bro. FOV max, bro. Got an FOV at max. This is not even what I see, bro. Like, bro, look. Alright, let's jump. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Wait, you wanna see? Wait, let's see what's under here. Wait, can I like zoom in? Yo, you can see everything now. Yo, we got freaking roots. We got plants. Yo, how far does this thing go? Wait, can I go like 3? Bro, what the hell? Could I like maybe find some? What is that white? Look at that white, yo. Is that a spider web? Yo, wait, what? Yo, what's in there? Well, I hope the spider's in it because more paper, I guess, if it looks like paper. Wow. Maximum zoom out and zoom in, bro. Bro, we can't even look at it. Like, bro, look how tiny this shit is. Look how tiny, bro. Y'all can just see through it. Like, I can almost see through it, but wait, maybe I can look at the one part. Wait, look at this. Yo. Wait, what is this? Wait, no, we need to find the yellow. Oh my god. Yo. My bad. I need to zoom. Could we like find the spider? Go find the spider. I'm like, it's probably gonna be hiding, but I see a bug. Alright, bro, look at this, bro. This is what I see. Wait, it's zoomed in. The other one. This is what I see, bro. Bro, this I do not see this. Like, bro, y'all can just zoom it. Bro, it literally just shows it. Why is it so blurry, chat? Chat, oh. Hi.
Alles oké?
Ja.
Wil je iets drinken?
Cool, alsjeblieft.
Kom maar naar binnen dan.